Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Passkey from Google account first. Open the Gmail app on your mobile and tap on your profile icon at the top. Then select Manage your Google account. From the options that appear, go to Security. Here you may see multiple passwords set, but we won't remove them directly from this section. Instead, scroll down and tap on the option related to Use Password when possible. It will ask you to verify with your fingerprint. Once verified, the option Use Password when possible will appear. Turn this option off. After doing so, go back and check, and you'll see that the previously saved passwords have been removed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another internet guru. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.